Good morning. So we are going on a trip for the weekend and we're going a little bit late and we don't really want to stop. So we're going to do some sandwiches for the trip. And so I'm doing some Korean sandwiches, but with my twist. Well, with a little twist. I am actually using a dressing that they use a lot for tea sandwiches, cucumber tea sandwiches. Don't look at this. It's dry skin. Anyways, so I'm doing that. So I'm not going to show you the ingredients because I will show you the ingredients as we go, but I'm not going to show you everything at the beginning because I already cut it. It's pre-cut and everything. So I'm using white bread. Fluffier is better. So we're going to start, okay? So the first layer, I already had a little bit of the whipped cream. The first layer is going to be the cucumber sandwich sauce, which is sour cream, mayonnaise, dill, lemon juice, salt, a little bit of pepper. What else did I put? And garlic powder. And then you mix it all together. And I just did enough for 3 sandwiches, but they're gonna be pretty big and it's probably gonna be leftover. You can use it as a dip. It's so good. So I didn't really measure anything. I just used like the spoon, and I used 2 spoons of mayo, 1 spoon of sour cream, just a little bit of salt to your tasting, and about a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and just a pinch of pepper and dill, like just a bunch like that, like about half a teaspoon, and mix it well. It's also good. I recommend that the cream cheese is already outside, so it's a little bit soft, because mine is a little bit clumpy, but that's okay. It's gonna go in the mouth anyways. So first you start by spreading all over. Be generous. This stuff is so good. You want to be really generous. Okay. Ugh. Let's see, it looks like that. And then my first layer is gonna be avocado in slices like this. Avocado in slices, and you want to fill it up all the way, and make sure you cover everything. So how many avocados? That's depending on how many sandwiches you want to do. Okay, so my phone fell down, but anyways, so you want to put I'm putting this rice seasoning that you use for, what is it called, wasabi, but I'm gonna use it on top of the avocado for flavor. So it has a little bit of a fishy flavor, and it has sesame seeds. It already has salt, so you don't have to add salt. Okay, and now you put another layer of the dressing. So good. I swear I wanna like put it inside my mouth and just eat it all. And so you do this layer, and then you're doing the second layer on top of this piece of bread. Be generous. You want to cover all that so you get all the flavors around. All those goody flavors. And the second layer. Oh, something that it's very important when you cut your vegetables. and your eggs and whatever vegetable you're using, you want to make sure you put it in a paper towel. Let me show you. Make sure you put it like this in a paper towel so you get all the moisture out. So that way you don't have moisture in your sandwiches and they last a longer time. And now you want to do your layer of egg. It's just basically boiled egg. And you want to do the same thing. You want to make sure you cover really well everything like that. See how like that. Okay, and now the dressing. Remember to be generous. You want to get all those flavors in your mouth. Oh, yes, and again with the rice seasoning, remember if you don't like fishy stuff, then use just salt and pepper. Because this has fishy flavor. Because it has seaweed. I have to think. And then you go, and there's another layer. Oh yes, it has plenty of layers. And again, be generous. Make sure you get all your dressing everywhere. And the third layer is gonna be tomato. See this? Tomato and tomato. These ones are pretty big, so you don't need a lot of them, just those. Okay, so now you're gonna cover it and you're gonna do the same thing. Put your dressing and make sure you are generous and cover so you can get all the flavors. Okay. Oh, wait, no, I forgot to put my rice seasoning. It's important. It's very important. You're not gonna see me eat them because they're for my trip, so. But now, here we go. See how pretty it looks? And another towel. See how pretty that is. Okay, so now you want to take the sides of it, the crust. Do I do this? Just gonna go straight across. Take the crust because you want them to look really pretty. You know what? I'm gonna try this. Let's see. So good. Yeah. That's really good. No. Okay. And continue. The other side. And then that side. And it's okay if it has a little bit of that. And you want to cut it on the side like that. I swear that I cannot remember triangle and 4. And you want to use what do you say that? One of the bread knives. So you don't surah? I can't pronounce it. You want to squish it a little bit. I'm going to show you. And here it is. See? It's really good. It's really, really good. It has like this tangy, sour taste, but it also has all the other flavors of the egg, guacamole, and everything. So good. Thank you for watching.